friends, it is a season of online classes. You must not be getting time. In this season, Raksha Bandhan is on the way. We can't go outside. So from where do we get Rakhi? Why not we should make Rakhi, which can be made in just few minutes. So let's make Rakhi for our naughty and irritating brothers. Friends, I am Disha. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to on the notification bell. So let's get started. First we will need pom-pom ball, needle and thread and a ball. So let's insert ball in the pom-pom ball. Please watch video carefully. We have inserted ball on the pom-pom ball. Let's cut the thread. Now take ribbon, some balls and needle and thread. First take ribbon and fold it into a half. Press it nicely. Now take needle and insert needle on the middle line. Now insert pom-pom ball. And tie knot on the down. Now cut it. It will look like this way. Now again take needle and insert it from some distance. Now take 3 balls and insert it at one side of the pom-pom ball. Now insert it from the between. Be careful while using needle. Now insert remaining 3 balls. Now tie knot from down. And cut it from down. And the Rakhi is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.